Are you feeling low on energy, overwhelmed, or simply out of balance? It might be time to detox your body. Detoxing doesn't mean complicated diets or extreme measures. By following a few simple and natural steps, you can help your body reset, restore, and thrive. In this video, we'll walk you through 7 effective ways to cleanse your body and boost your overall well-being. Let's get started. Water is life. Staying hydrated is one of the most effective ways to support your body's natural detox process. Add a squeeze of fresh lemon to your water for an extra boost. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that help flush out toxins and improve digestion. Start your day with a glass of warm lemon water on an empty stomach to kickstart your metabolism and keep your body hydrated all day. Your body thrives on the nutrients it receives. Processed and junk foods can introduce unnecessary toxins into your system, making you feel sluggish. Instead, focus on eating whole, nutrient-rich foods like fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. These foods are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support your liver, improve digestion, and promote overall health. Aim for a colorful plate with plenty of variety. The more colors, the better for your body. Movement is medicine for your body. Physical activity not only improves your circulation, but also helps your body eliminate toxins through sweat. Whether it's a brisk walk, a yoga session, or a fun dance workout, staying active keeps your lymphatic system moving, which is essential for detoxification. Try to move your body for at least 30 minutes a day and make it something you enjoy so it becomes a habit. Did you know that your body detoxifies and repairs itself most effectively during sleep? Quality sleep is essential for restoring your energy, balancing hormones, and supporting your immune system. Aim for 6 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night. Create a calming bedtime routine by avoiding screens, dimming the lights, and practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing or reading a book. Toxins can come from what we eat, drink, and even breathe. Minimize your exposure to alcohol, sugary beverages, processed foods, and artificial additives. Replace these with healthier alternatives like herbal teas, infused water, or fresh homemade meals. Every small step you take to reduce toxins helps your body perform better and feel lighter. Detoxing isn't just physical, it's also mental. Stress can build up toxins in the body, so it's essential to find ways to calm your mind. Practice mindful breathing to reduce stress and improve oxygen flow. A simple technique is to inhale deeply through your nose for 4 counts, hold for 4 counts, and exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 counts. Repeat this for a few minutes every day to feel grounded and rejuvenated. Your liver works tirelessly to filter out toxins from your body. Give it some extra support by incorporating foods like garlic, turmeric, leafy greens, and beets into your meals. Drinking herbal teas like dandelion or milk thistle can also help your liver function at its best. These simple additions to your diet can make a big difference in how you feel. By following these 7 simple steps, you can help your body detox naturally, improve your health, and feel more energized every day. Remember, small changes add up to big results over time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who might benefit. Together, let's make health and well-being a priority.